The following movie is rated I.
Welcome to Cheezy's Garage, the cheesiest reviews you will find on YouTube. I guarantee it. Today, we got a MRLIANCE battery-powered pressure washer. I've been wanting to try one of these. I know, another pressure washer, guys. So it comes with two wands. Oh, look at that. It's got a rotating adjustable head here. That's new. I've never seen that. And this is adjustable head. It's for getting underneath stuff, apparently. We have our soap dispenser. Oh, that goes on the bottom of this. So we have shower, foam, 40 degree, 20 degree on an angle, 20 degree straight, and 0. And back to shower. We have our suction hose, wall charger, extension wand. This must be the battery. The battery, 2 amp hour, 80 watt hour, 40 volt battery. Another battery. So it comes with 2 batteries. And the gun. Get a little bit of weight to it. Must be for getting underneath. Let's see what this unit weighs without the battery. 2 pounds 14 ounces without the battery. 4 pounds 6 ounces with the battery. Not too bad. Got a little screen just in case you guys don't have a clean 5-gallon pail. So this is claiming 0.8 gallons per minute with a max of 1.2 gallons per minute, 640 psi, 506 psi max, 330 watt motor. Let's charge up one of these batteries. They charge direct. If you guys are wondering what that mouse is for, it's trying to get my cheese. While this is charging up, let's see how long this hose is that they gave with this. "22 feet. So 22 feet of hose. It's quite a bit. As long as this is weighted enough to keep it down in a 5-gallon pail. Or 55-gallon pail. I don't know how much it's going to use. I don't know how long the battery's going to last for how much water we're going to use. This battery's all charged. Let's get a clean bucket of water and see if I can wash the van. She's pretty dirty. It's just under 5 gallons. Make sure I roll up all the windows. I've forgotten a few times. I'm in need of a cleaning, that's for sure. You think? Good old Walmart brand. Well, that's leaky a little bit. Let's see how we siphon. So this button is automatic and economy. Doesn't say how to siphon it, but I imagine you do it like any other pump. You take the nozzle off. Huh, I didn't see anything coming out. Let's see how this works first. get in the wheel wells. Let's soap it up. That's 0. Pretty powerful. That's 0. 20 degrees. Another 20 degrees. Oh, that's flat. Then you have a 40. Shower. And foam. We're going to try foam. I started at 315. Sucked up a little air from somewhere. Oh. Yeah, I would suggest giving a little clip here. Used almost half a pail already. I don't know how many degrees this tip is. I should look it up, huh? Does that look finer than this one? Let's see. Yeah, sucking a little air. As you can see, it uses a lot less water with a pressurized tip, because when it's spraying the foam on, it's got a lot more volume of water. Oh, I forgot about this. So economy lowers it down. And that works pretty good. Yeah, it works pretty good. Now, how much water do I have? Not a lot. Maybe I better fill it back up. So we use about 4 gallons in 3:29 now. 15 minutes. Let's see if this takes the bugs off. Kinda, sorta. It's doing it. Oh, some of these are rust marks. Not going to take that off. That's rust. Chips. Won't take that dirt off. That's that clay stuff. I have no way of verifying the actual pressure because I don't have this adapter for my gauge like I do on the other ones. Ooh, taking the paint off. Careful there, Cheezy. Works as a good undercarriage wash. You can see it, the pressure. That's if I'm not holding it. Pretty good. Might have just enough to finish. Oh, almost. So that was probably another 4 gallons. That's about 8 gallons. And this is small. Probably take 9 gallons for this little van. Full size. Double it. Yeah, it's peeled the paint away. It's alright, I'm painting this soon anyway. What time is it? 3:41. Got 1 bar left. Let's keep going until the battery dies. The battery's still going. There it is. Switched to economy. What time is it? Yeah, I know I didn't run it continuous, so take a minute or 2 off. 3:44. Close to a half hour continuous. Should I keep running it until it dies? Wow, almost my 3rd bucket of water. It's about ready to die. That's it. What time is it? 3:45. Exactly a half hour. Not bad. So a half hour will get you through 3 pails. Almost. I mean, I wasn't totally full. So close to 15 gallons, 13 gallons. I can't even get the water out of it. Dead. Oh yeah. Nice part is, comes with 2 batteries. Now it's out of water. I like it. Whatever pressure it actually is, it's pretty impressive. The only 2 things I wish they had was a clip for the hose. If it came with a little clip that was on there, you can clip on a bucket. And a little carrying case would have been nice. Have to find something. I like it. I do. Oh, you can see the motor in there. Yeah, you can see that's a good sized motor in there. No wonder it's got some pretty good weight to it. We suck up any dirt. A little bit. I do have stuff floating around the pail there. There's a chunk of something. Probably best to wash that off in the sink. I forgot to show this. You can rotate at any angle that you want. One other thing I wish they would have done is made this a little bit better seal wise. Overall not bad. So if you need to clean something that you don't have a water source, here you go. It is a lot more compact than a standard electric 110 volt unit. This has a little bit of weight, more than a wand typically does, but it wasn't bad. 2 thumbs up. I think this would work really good on a boat. That's what I'm thinking. You want to clean off the boat? I guess you're not supposed to clean off the boat while you're in the water though, are you? Forgot one last test. Gallon per minute. Ready? As soon as it starts. Go. That's it. Almost forgot. So if you're looking for one of these, it's a pretty good choice. I've been wanting to get my hands on one of these for a while. And it actually works a little better than I thought it would, to be honest. So there's my cheesy opinion for what it's worth.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.